San Juan, Puerto Rico, August 16th, 2025. Hurricane Erin, the first major storm of the 2025 Atlantic season, has intensified into a powerful Category 4 system, packing winds of nearly 150 miles per hour and prompting storm watches across parts of the northern Caribbean. The storm, which developed from a tropical disturbance earlier in the week, underwent rapid intensification on Friday, climbing from a tropical storm to a major hurricane in less than 48 hours. Meteorologists describe the pace of its strengthening as unusually fast, driven by record warm ocean waters and favorable atmospheric conditions. Current location and track. As of Saturday morning, Erin was positioned northeast of Anguilla, moving west-northwest at roughly 20 miles per hour. Forecast model projected gradual turn to north and northeast in the coming days, keeping the center of the storm offshore between Bermuda and the U.S. East Coast. While that trajectory reduces the risk of a direct U.S. landfall, forecasters caution that Erin still poses a serious threat to Caribbean territories in its path. Caribbean islands brace for impact. Authorities in Anguilla, Barbuda, St. Martin, and St. Bart's have issued tropical storm watches as Erin's outer rain bands sweep across the northern Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands. Forecasters warn of 6 to 8 inches of rainfall in some areas, raising the risk of flash flooding and landslides in mountainous terrain. Dangerous marine conditions are also expected, with storm surges and large waves battering coastlines. Officials are urging residents to avoid beaches and secure property ahead of worsening conditions. U.S. East Coast effects. Although the hurricane is expected to remain offshore, Erin's influence will be felt along much of the U.S. Atlantic seaboard. Forecasters say beaches from Florida to New England will see hazardous rip currents and high surf over the weekend and into next week. Popular tourist spots, including the Outer Banks, Long Island, and Cape Cod, are under advisories. Why Erin exploded in strength. Experts attribute Erin's rapid intensification to a mix of unusually warm sea surface temperatures, abundant moisture, and low wind shear, an environment described as ideal for explosive development. Scientists also warn that climate change is contributing to an uptick in such rapid intensification events, complicating forecasting and emergency planning. Looking ahead, forecasters expect Erin to expand in size as it moves further into the Atlantic, increasing its impact on ocean conditions even if it never makes landfall. Emergency services across the Caribbean remain on high alert, urging residents to prepare for potential flooding, power outages, and travel disruptions. A growing climate concern. Erin's sudden surge in power highlights the increasing risks posed by tropical systems in a warming world. While the storm's track spares the U.S. mainland from direct damage, it has already disrupted lives across the Caribbean, a reminder of the need for vigilance and resilience in hurricane-prone regions. Kindly subscribe for more trends.